Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports. You're reviewing a very custom and gorgeous 2006 Jeep Wrangler TJ Rubicon. Over $35,000 just recently put in this Rubicon. Some of that includes a custom turbo setup, stroke forged engine, fully built ATS transmission, brand new suspension, steering, wheels, tires. We are very familiar with this Jeep. We actually sold it to the previous client as nearly a factory Rubicon. And since, as I mentioned, put over $35,000 into this Jeep. We have all the invoices of all the recent work that's been performed. Custom turbo setup, custom tuning, all upgraded suspension, forged engine, stroked obviously to a 4.7. We just did a full reconditioning on all the paint, flares, functional hood. We'll take a look. We'll open that in a moment. You'll see the intercooler right there, dead smack in the center. Probably have $2,000 worth of rigid lights on the rig. Owned by a 67-year-old man. Built it for the looks, was not off-roaded. Pretty much brand new tires. Undercarriage is very clean. All the control arms are all upgraded. We'll get into all that, but everything underneath, drive shafts, you name it, it's all been done. Beautiful paint. We went ahead and refinished the mirrors, door bezels, handles as well. Beautiful condition. We did do our DAS leather seats when we sold it to them as well. Bed rug carpet, Dynomat floor pans, Banks exhaust, Banks stainless headers. Snorkel originally went on this Jeep. Once the turbo system was done, it wasn't getting enough air, so it is not completely functional. It is hooked up. If you want to hook it up, it's ready to go, but it's not the air supply to the engine right now. Beautiful paint, full DAS paint correction. Very, very clean underneath. Turbo on this thing absolutely screams. Does have a blow off diverter valve as well. Go ahead and pop the hood for you guys real quick. All the invoices, all the receipts, just water spots, all that can easily be polished. Makes well over 400 horsepower. Catch cans. Everything's been upgraded. Transmission, we'll get underneath and show you that as well. upgraded transmission. We have all the invoices for it. Upgraded drive shafts. You name it, it's all done. We'll go through the entire system on our listing, let you know everything that it has. Full bed rug carpet inside. Dyno mat floor pan as well. ATP grab handles done the right way. All AEM gauges, fully functional. We added heated seats to it as well. Lockers can be engaged at any time, so there is a bypass on that. If you lift this up, you'll see the dyno mat throughout. Upgraded sound system, including a 7-inch in-dash screen. Please make sure to go to the website, guys. There's so much on this Jeep. So I'm gonna have to take a second video. We go through here to get out, so we got a couple rigs in our way, a couple LJs we're working on before, so we're gonna move those. I'm gonna take this thing outside and we'll take it for a test drive. All right, guys, before we head out on a test drive, I wanted to get some outdoor lighting. Let's see how clean this thing is. All right, guys, here we are in the drivability portion. Roll down the window a little bit. Just slight throttle, I mean, this thing just wants to take off. The turbo spools up great. If the gauges are dancing in real life, they're not doing, or on video, they're not doing that in real life. That's just the way videos capture those sometimes. Literally 20% throttle right there. has so much power it never has to drop a gear down. We're going up a steep hill right now. Typically these TJs are dropping down 2 gears. It's just got so much torque. Do a decent little acceleration right here, nothing crazy at all. Probably about 40–50% right there. We'll accelerate, we'll slow down a little bit. Keep in mind, that's the miles on the total Jeep. All this stuff was just recently put on. We'll give you the mileage and everything on the listing. Start off in the same gear. Tons of torque. I mean, the way it just accelerates in the low RPM range it's crazy. All right, guys, that's it. If you all have any questions, 855-XJ Jeeps. That's 855-955-3377. Thank you.